This is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced ooh. Now you try. Repeat after me. Ooh. Ooh. Now here are some words which have this sound. Goose, two, blue, group. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Goose, two, blue, group. Good.
Two A. Look, Luke. Pull, pool. Full, fool. Could, cooed. Would, wooed. Two B.
Look, look, Luke, look, Luke.
Pull, 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 pool, pool.
Fool, full, full, fool, full.
Cooed, cooed. Could, cooed, could.
Wooed, would, wood, wooed, wood.
Two C. Look, a new moon. Luke, a new moon. The sign said pull. The sign said pool. This isn't really foolproof. This isn't really foolproof. The bird could. The bird cooed. He would, Julie, at the full moon. He wooed Julie at the full moon. 2D.
The bird cooed.
The sign said pull.
This isn't really foolproof.
He would, Julie, at the full moon.
Look, a new moon.
Three B. The two rudest students in the school.
Good afternoon, girls.
Good afternoon, Miss Luke.
This afternoon, we're going to learn how to cook soup. Turn on your computers and look at Unit 22.
Excuse me, Miss Luke.
Yes, Lucy?
There's some chewing gum on your shoe.
Who threw their chewing gum on the floor? Was it you, Lucy?
No, Miss Luke. It was Susan.
Who?
Susan Duke.
It wasn't me, stupid. It was Julie.
It was you.
It wasn't me. My mouth's full of chewing gum. Look, Miss Luke.
Stop pulling my hair, Susan. It was you.
You?
You.
Excuse me. If you two continue with this rudeness, you can stay after school instead of going to the pool.